Did you know the most powerful women never ask for what they want? They create the conditions where others offer it freely. This is environmental influence. You do not push, you do not plead, you do not persuade, you arrange. Place the right information where curious eyes will find it. Seed emotions before decisions are made. Control the flow of conversation without saying a word. Watch as your colleagues suggest your exact idea in the meeting. Watch as the group chooses your preference naturally. Watch as they believe it was their brilliant thought. This is not manipulation. This is strategic design. When people think they created the idea, they protect it, they champion it, they make it their mission. Resistance disappears. Buy-in becomes automatic. Your reputation remains untouched. Your influence grows invisible. The art is in the setup. The power is in the patience. Let them think they are leading, while you control the entire game.